Okay, today we're going to show you how to defragment your hard drive. We'll go ahead and start the process. You go down to your Start button and click on that. Go on over to where it says Computer, click Computer, find your main C drive and right click on it. Then what you'll do is you'll scroll all the way down to Properties, click Properties, and you'll get this dialog box and you'll see a pie chart looking display which shows how much your hard drive is filled up with information or files. The blue part is what is actually filled up on your drive in this scenario, and the purple part is what is free and available for new files and storage. What we're going to do now is go up to Tools, and we're going to go down to the button that says Defragment Now. And now you'll see another display that says Disk Defragmenter. We'll go down to Analyze the Disk to find out whether or not we actually need to defragment the hard drive. And we can see our current status is running, which means it's checking out my hard drive. If you know where your drive indicator is, hard drive indicator light on your computer, you can look at that for activity and also notice in the progress column that we have the defragment program progressing through its steps. Now it is completed, and it says that my hard drive is only 3% fragmented. If you read the instructions provided inside this dialog here, it'll tell you that you really only need to defragment your hard drive once it exceeds 10% or greater. But for purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and defragment it. So here we go. Let's defragment the hard drive. You'll see that the button changed to stop operation. My current status is running. And again, if you know where your hard drive indicator light is, you can look at that to monitor progress and activity. And over here in this column that says progress, you can see that the defragment program is going through its paces. And of course 100% means complete. And it says pass 1, 0% relocated. It takes several passes to defragment your hard drive. And if your hard drive is really fragmented, this could take a while. That's something to note. Once we get done with this routine, we'll go show you how you can schedule your hard drive to be defragmented. Okay, now we can see that the defragmentation program has completed. You can see it gave us a date and a timestamp, and it shows 0% fragmented. That shows you that it is now completed. And of course, this button down here went back to defragment disk. So now that we're done with that, let's show you how you can change your schedule, your weekly schedule, so you can cause your computer to do an automatic defragment routine a certain time each week. So right now, if you look over here where it says scheduled defragment is turned on, it's running at 1 o'clock in the morning every Wednesday, and the next date is scheduled for in this case October the 10th. But we're going to change that. I'm going to go to configure schedule. We're going to leave it at weekly, run a schedule, which is recommended, and on the day I'm going to change it to Friday, and I'm going to give it a time of, let's say, 2 p.m. Then we have the option to select which disk to defragment, so we'll select that. And we're just going to leave it like it is, which is the system, the C drive, all disk. If you have a USB drive plugged in, it's probably going to look for that as well. So you need to make sure that your USB drive is not plugged in when you go to do that. And that should be pretty much it. And we say OK. We click on OK. And now we have just changed the schedule. And if you look up here under this bold, scheduled defragment is turned on. Now it will run at 2 p.m. every Friday. And it is now scheduled for the 5th at 2 o'clock, which is actually today's date. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and this is the end of this tutorial.